Now that we have all of the architectural and structural columns placed on the grid, we're now going to draw our external wall. So to follow along, if you open up PDF 003 external walls, so if we go over to our wall tool, again I'm being prompted to save, so yes, I'm going to save. So in my type selector, what I'm going to do now is change the type. So by default, I've got the external wall 102mm brickwork, 75 insulation, 100 block, 12 plasterboard. The one we're going to be using today is the wall exterior 102 brick, 50 air, which is our cavity, 45 insulation, 100 block and 12 plasterboard. So click to select. So how we're going to draw our wall today, we're going to be using our line. In our options bar, we're going to specify our constraints under height, constrain them to the first floor level. We're going to specify our location line as the core face exterior. So to briefly run over the cores of our wall and to show you where our core center line is, our core face exterior and our interior, what I'll do is I'll quickly just open up edit browser. This is something we'll cover later on in the course, but just to give you an idea of where our cores are. So here's our makeup of the wall, and there you'll see is our cores. And our core boundaries are positioned around our main structure, which is our concrete block. So that there highlighted in blue is our concrete block, which is the main structural element of our wall. So above that we have our external or exterior face for our core boundary, which is that blue line, and our interior core boundary, which is that blue line again. So we're going to specify our wall location line to be the outer face of that blockwork, which will be this section here. So I'm going to change our location line to wall face exterior. Yes, I want it to be in a chain. I don't have any offset, no radius, and yes, I want them to join. So to get started, I'm going to come down to grid line F3, attached to the outer corner of that architectural column. Click once to start. If I move my cursor up, you'll see the brickwork is on the left-hand side, the blockwork is on the right-hand side of my core boundary. If I was to go around the right-hand side of the building, you can see that it's been mirrored across. So now my block is on the outside of the building, my brick is on the inside. If I wanted to run this way around the building, I could just simply press spacebar to flip it. But I'm going to go back and run around in a clockwise manner. So coming up and just clicking on the bottom left hand corner of this column, again, bottom left hand corner. When I get that square symbol, that is my snap symbol. So I know that I'm attaching to the edge. So I'm going to run right up to grid line 2, leaving the columns on the left hand side for now. Come here across, down, and just follow what's on the PDF. So when I come to the end, what I can do is just simply come up to the wall when I get that dashed through line to click in place, and they'll automatically join. And now over to the left hand side of the building, I can just click on the outer side of that column again and place, and you'll see that they'll automatically join together. And again, the block work will run straight through the brickwork, going to the next boundary, which is the block again. Again, this is something that we will repeat again and again. And there's our external walls placed. Again, we can use our 3D view to check it out.